and taking care of pertinent administrative matters. Thank you very much for your contribution, wisdom, and eldership. Ìyáàfin Ẹniọlá Jọlọ́ṣọ́ wọn tí dé, but àwọn ọ̀gá àdìsọ́ fún àbíbà. Our outgoing social secretary, from coordinating a very colorful and eventful banquet to organizing annual picnics that were fun and engaging, you deserve over and over again in your office. You did it with dignity and cheerfulness. You are very much appreciated. Honorable Anthony Jolosho, our outgoing treasurer. I remain amazed at the level of your energy and passion as a member of this great organization. I went to the National with Honorable Jolosho, and his energy is something that if I could just have 10%, I would be happy. It was a great event at the National. I thank you for your loyalty to our organization. Thank you, sir. Dr. J.T. Oyebade and Mr. Oyebade, they are not here at this moment, organized a very successful camp for the youth at the last summer. It was a cultural, stimulating event. And I have no doubt in my mind that the youth had fun and had some valuable lessons. We and the children are counting on you, Mrs. Oyebade and Mrs. Jolosho, for the 2014 Summer Youth Camp. On behalf of all the members, I say thank you to you and your family. Honor to whom it is due. For the last 4 years, the ship of our organization has been steered by an infallible leader, a man of great patience and endurance. I witnessed this at the national election last year. I don't know how many people that would have handled the national election. With no brown envelope exchange, I didn't see my presence. You held the house together the last 2 years through thick and thin with your calmness and diplomacy. It was a great honor to be your vice president, Are. I may not always agree with your approach, but I stand convinced today, with the benefit of hindsight, that it was your persuasive doggedness that prevented the ship of our organization from capsizing. You gave your best, and our organization salutes you. Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to invite Are Idowu to come forward for recognition. Enjoy. Okay, I will read the resolution. Honorable, whereas Idowu Kayode Aguilar is from Igbo in Oyo State, Nigeria, and is a respected member of Oduduwa Heritage Organization, Oakland, San Francisco Bay Area. Whereas he received his bachelor's degree from University of Ibadan,
great try,
Nigeria, okay, and obtained a Master of Business Administration degree from Golden Gate University in San Francisco. Whereas Mr. Akinleye has worked in industry segments such as communications, software development, asset management, personnel recruitment, and health care. Whereas Mr. Akinleye has lent himself and his resources to further the cause of Oduduwa Heritage Organization and serve the organization as General Secretary, Assistant General Secretary, and President. Therefore, it resolved that the President, officers, and members of Oduduwa Heritage Organization salute Mr. Akinleye for his dedication and commitment to promoting Yoruba culture and values and for his meritorious services in the community. Hereby witnessed by me, Ramon Olufemi.
One second.
Okay, my conclusion. It is appropriate that we recognize and acknowledge the owners of Miliki Restaurant, Mrs. Eniola Aregbe and Mr. Ayo Okunade. Give them a round of applause.
Thank you for the support. Thank you for coming, and I hope you will enjoy yourself. That you keep coming back.
All right.
For allowing us the use of this beautiful place, thank you very much for your support of OHO. In closing, I ask that we all commit to move the organization to the next level, make it attractive to our children and adaptable to the rapidly changing community in which we live and work. And I'm counting on everyone to embrace the changes that are genuinely necessary for the survival and advancement of OHO. As members of this organization, we may disagree on approaches, we may quarrel on issues, but we must always remember OHO is all about our rich heritage. Almost do I need to go out. In our march forward, we must leave behind all acrimony and satisfaction to await the giants in OHO and build a lasting legacy for our children and generations yet unborn. There is no doubt in my mind that by the grace of Allah, God, our organization shall be stronger and bigger as we work together and give our very best. Again, I'd like to express my heartfelt appreciation to our elected officers. Honorable Olushayo Adebayo Mrs. Buki Oyebade, the elected General Secretary. Mrs. Oluwafunke Odusoya, our Treasurer. Mrs. Yemisi Kwalowo, our Financial Secretary. Iyaafin Eniola Jolosho, our elected Social Secretary. Mr. Francis Odo, our Public Relations Officer. I want to use this opportunity to appeal to Dr. Oyebade and Iyaafin Jolosho to reconsider their decision not to serve in this administration. For the sake of our children and out of respect and love for OHO, I implore you to come and take hold of office and let's move the organization forward together. Your contributions are very much needed. Last but not the least, a big thank you to my beautiful wife.
All right.
All right. for our love and support. Like the old saying, behind every successful man,
There's an
there
Olori.
is a supportive and dependable woman. Thank you, my wife.
All right.
I also like to say thank you. I love you to all my kids at home. They wanted to come, but we said, I don't want to. May God bless our families, and may God bless Oduduwa Heritage Organization. Oduduwa.
All right. Presido.